Hello, today is Monday, June the 7th, and this video is just a review for the materials and the medium that you can use to make watercolor. So today I was having the students use watercolor markers to make a ice cream painting or ice cream bar painting. And this one right here, the colors that I picked out was this pink right here, and this kind of a darker pink, and then a yellow, and then a brown. And then what else I need besides that is I also need a container with some water in it and a brush. And if you're at home, you could actually use a Q-tip, or you could actually use a paper towel or something like that. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to sketch. You can start out by sketching your ice cream first with a pencil. I'm going to make kind of a layered ice cream cone around here, and then draw the cone so that it goes down at a point. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Take my pink marker here, and I'm going to go over this with my pink right here. I'm going to make one of those curlicues on top. All the way around. Okay. Then take my brush. Let's leave the cap off for a minute. Take my brush with a little bit of water on it, just clean water, and I'm going to go over the marker, and you can tell as I go over the marker, it makes it kind of carry the color and make it a lighter pink around the inside of the ice cream cone. And the more I scrub my brush over it and blend it, the pinker it gets. So I think it kind of gives it a really good ombre effect there. Then over here on the bottom, I'm going to make the cone, and I'm going to use yellow first. So I'm going to make the cone just kind of like a V shape down there at the bottom. Color it in with a little bit of yellow. Then take the brown and go over it to make the design on it. It kind of looks like a waffle cone that way. The place where it's folded over. The lines on it, the vertical lines and horizontal lines, so it looks like it has the marks on it. Then take my regular brush, go over the watercolor marker with my brush to blend it. And like right here, I got a little bit of brown on there. So I'm just gonna get a paper towel and wipe that off where my pink is. And it's still gonna be okay. And what I can do is make it a little bit darker pink over there to cover that up. And I might want to make a little bit darker pink right here. And I'll kind of cover up that mistake that I made with the other pink. So I put a little bit darker pink over there and use my water again to blend it a little bit more. Makes just a real simple watercolor, but it really doesn't look too bad when you're done. Okay, so that's just a real simple way to use those watercolor markers to make a watercolor painting without having to go out and buy watercolor trays.